Here are 3 simple steps to make money by just liking posts and following profiles on different social media sites. The first step is to get your phone. The second step is to visit the profiles or pages and then just follow the page and like their posts. And the third step is to get paid with the real cash that will go directly into your bank account. And that's it, just a very easy process. Now, I want to show you this proof of payment of different people who've already cashed out their earnings from the website that I will reveal later on. All these people just follow pages on different social media platforms and like some posts while making hundreds of dollars. The best thing about this is that you can get paid with actual cash. For those who are looking for a side hustle to make money online, this is a good opportunity for you. There's absolutely no cost associated with doing this because it's completely free and accessible anywhere in the world. So, without further ado, let's dive deeper into the process of how to earn money from this website. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. First, visit the website called followfast.com. This website gives people the chance to earn money online by only visiting pages and liking some of their posts. Check out the recent withdrawal history. As you can see, these people come from different countries and are regularly making money. Now look at this. This user just cashed out today. This only shows how transparent this website is about the amount of money you can make and the amount of money you can withdraw. To sign up, click the join button right here, and you'll be directed to this page where you create a free account by putting your username and email and creating your own password. The next step is location. However, they will automatically locate your area, so don't worry about that because they welcome people who come from different parts of the world. Then you could put the referral code if someone referred you, but that's just optional. Next, enter the numbers you see on the screen to complete the CAPTCHA. After providing all the important information in the box, click this blue join button. You can do this with your laptop, computer, or mobile device. Once you've completed the registration process, this is what your dashboard will look like. However, please avoid having multiple accounts, data center IPs, and not liking pages. You also need to add your profiles before sharing so they can confirm the share counts. And now, click on Instagram. There are 2 categories under Instagram. You can earn money by liking posts and following different pages. So, when you click on the Follow IG button, you'll be able to see many IG pages right here that you should follow in order to collect points. When I click on this one right here, I'll be directed to this Instagram page where I should click the follow button. Do this process on the remaining IG pages to earn more points. So the accumulated points can be exchanged for real money. This is how you can make money through Instagram followers, and that's by following profiles to earn points. Remember these basic steps to get click points on the follow button. Follow the page on Instagram, and then close the window. There's a note here that says make sure your Instagram profile is active and contains a cover photo, uploaded images, and at least 5 friends. Because anyone with an empty Instagram account will be banned permanently. You heard that right, it's a permanent ban. Let's move on to the IG likes button. When you click this button right here, you'll see the following pages that you need to like. But you can also skip them. They have a skip button right here. If you'll click all the pages and like them, you'll most likely earn many points. And that's how you can earn money through using your Instagram account. Now, if you want to double or triple your earnings, you should do the other tasks that are available here. For example, when you choose the FB button right here, you can share sites to earn points. So, to get free points, you should share other websites on Facebook. You just have to click the share button and share it to your Facebook and then close the window. To add your Facebook, just click this link right here. You also have to ensure that your Facebook profile is active, has a profile photo, has a cover photo, and at least 5 friends. And of course, don't forget to post it in public. They have this picture right here, so you'll have a guide on what you need to do. You can click on any of these pages and hit the share button to earn points. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, there are still more ways on how to generate more income from this website. Under Facebook, you can also like Facebook pages and Facebook posts. You can also follow Facebook profiles, and the same goes for the Twitter platform. You can earn points by following Twitter profiles, tweeting, liking tweets, and retweeting posts. You can also earn points through your Pinterest and Mix.com profile. There are literally a lot of ways on how you can earn points on this website. Those points can be exchanged for real cash. The tasks are also very easy to follow. You can do this in the comforts of your own home and anytime you want. Let me now show you how you can earn more points. Click the daily bonus section and you'll be directed to this page. You have the chance to earn free points every day. So all you have to do is log in every day, do 15 likes, and then click the button below to earn bonus points. But wait, there's more. You can also earn daily points. So all you have to do is to check your account every hour and do 3 hits or likes to win an extra 25 points. And you can monitor how many hits or likes you made in this section right here. In your free time, you can log into your Follow Fast account so that you can get free points every day. Isn't it amazing? They're one of the few websites to give free points daily. So you better grab this opportunity to earn more points and earn more cash. Let's now proceed with how you can cash out your earnings. Simply click out the cash out section right here. You can see your available balance. For every point you get, there's an equivalent amount of money that you can receive. You can choose Perfect Money, Bitcoin, or PayPal. If you click on the PM button or Perfect Money, all you have to do is to put the amount that you want to cash out and of course your account ID. The minimum days to cash out your earnings is 3 to 5 days. After putting all the necessary information, just click the Request Cash Out button. Withdrawing your earnings is very simple and easy on this website. But if you don't see your payment method, for example, you have other payment methods. You can convert your earnings to any of the following using the link right here, called magneticexchange.com. You can convert them into Advanced Cash, XMO, FastPay, bank transfer, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other methods. The points you've collected will be converted into real money. And remember that they do have minimum payout rates. You can request a payout if you already have $1.50 for PayPal, Bitcoin, and Perfect Money. So make sure your points are enough in order to request a cash out. These are the few things you need to remember. First, you need to wait within 3 to 5 days or less after you request a payout. Second, you can cancel your payment request to change your payment address or method. And third, you can double check your payment email before submitting it. But if you haven't received your payment within 3 to 5 days, there's probably an issue or a problem. They pay all pending cash out requests once per week. So the amount and time you cash out will be displayed on this page located at the top of followfast.com. When your cash out has been paid, you're free to request another. But if you see a red error below, then your payment account info was incorrect or your PayPal account cannot accept payments. They already provide here the reasons and the possible solutions for those issues. Just read everything below. It's very important to double check your account information before requesting a cash out. Don't worry if your payment is invalid or cancelled. Your points will be refunded to your account. And you better check your account information and then just request again. As you've noticed, the cash out process is easy if you follow their instructions properly. And there you have it. That's all about the Follow Fast website. There are already millions of people who use this website and cash out their earnings. If they did it, you can do it too. Just share your thoughts and comments down below in the comment section. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video. And to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.